How to fix BeReal app not working. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. One of the reasons your app might not be working is due to an updation. So let's go ahead and open up our Play Store and search for BeReal. If you see open instead of update, then it means this application has been updated. If you see update, tap on update and update your app. Once you have updated the app, head over to your settings. Here, scroll below until you find apps. Then search for BeReal. Here, go on to storage and clear the cache if you have any. Also clear the data. Also make sure to remember all of your password and your username. Once done, come back into app info page and tap on force stop. Then tap on OK. Once you have done all that, go ahead and open up your BeReal app and this shall fix your problem. If it's still not working for you, then you have to uninstall this application and reinstall it again. This will definitely solve your issue. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.